Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk to you about how to earn free cryptocurrency, free airdrop cryptos, and you earn free cryptocurrency from airdrop projects. And I've have a series of videos talking about the airdrop already. So in this video I want to tell you how to earn free cryptocurrency from airdrop. You see, many people just go into the airdrop, they don't understand, they're just doing things, playing games, they don't understand. And that's why I'm taking out my time to elaborate on what the airdrop is, so that when you get a particular project, you can go into it with informed mind, and you can be taking a good stance when you get in. So cryptocurrency airdrops are one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto tokens. Airdrops are promotional tools by blockchain projects to distribute tokens to users for free. So let me just put it in a simple way. A company is selling, a new shoe company comes to town. Like those days when I was younger, a particular company that started with the letter capital B and followed by small letter A came to town where I was living. My uncle and his friends went to the shop and they got 2 shoes for the price of 1. So it was a big one. Everybody will go there. You pay for 1 shoe and you collect 2. You pay for 1 shoe, you collect 2. So everybody is looking at that means they're paying half the price. So with that is a promotional. So what that means is that you pay for 1, instead of picking only 1, you pick 2. So the second one is free. So that is how crypto airdrop works. So it's like they're making sales. It's like they're trying to attract customers. They're trying to make people to look in their direction. So this is how it works. So in the case of crypto airdrops, you do not pay to get the crypto. All you need to do is to participate in some activities and then you make money from them. So airdrops are promotional tools for blockchain projects to distribute tokens to users for free, often in exchange for simple tasks like following social media accounts, joining Telegram groups, or holding certain cryptocurrencies. Here is a straightforward guide on how to get started with free airdrop cryptos. Number 1, what is a crypto airdrop? A crypto airdrop is a distribution of cryptocurrency tokens or coins, typically for free, to a large number of wallet addresses. Airdrops are usually done by blockchain projects to promote the launch of a new project, to reward loyal community members, or to raise awareness about a token. Now, how to participate in free airdrop cryptos? Participating in free airdrops is usually simple. Here are the general steps. Number 1, follow official announcements. Always stay updated by following the project's official social media channels or joining their community groups on platforms like Telegram, Discord, or Twitter. I've done a video on how to stay updated, and you can check it on my channel. Just go on my channel or go on the YouTube search bar and put Olubengade crypto update, or knowing when a crypto is going to list, and then you're going to see it. Now, the next thing you need to do is to complete simple tasks. Most airdrops require participants to perform easy tasks such as following social media accounts and doing some other tasks, or even playing games. Then provide your wallet address. You typically need to provide your cryptocurrency wallet address where the airdrop tokens will be sent. Ensure you use a wallet that supports the tokens blockchain. Take for instance the Hamster Kombat, which is going to be listing on the 26th of September, and today is 6th of September. So in 20 days, Hamster Kombat will be listing. So if you have not joined the Hamster Kombat, these 20 days you can still join and make some few dollars. But what you're going to make may not be as much as those who started in May or in June or even in July or even August. I started Hamster Kombat in August, so I cannot compare what I will make with somebody that have been doing the same thing I'm doing and started in May or June. So you join the network. Now Hamster Kombat, currently they are saying they are going to list with OKX, and they are going to also list with another crypto exchange. Currently, Binance is not among the list. So you have to make sure that these 2 that they say they're going to list with, or any other one they're going to add, you're going to make sure that you have the address, you have that, and you have that, and you provide the address using those companies or those exchanges. The next thing you need to do is to claim your tokens. After completing tasks, your tokens will be credited to your wallet either automatically or after a certain period. Popular platforms for airdrop communities are as follows. Number one is Airdrop Alert. Airdrop Alert is a dedicated platform that lists ongoing and upcoming airdrop opportunities. Number two is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap provides a section for free airdrops where users can participate in a variety of promotional token distributions. The next one is Airdrop Bob. This is another popular platform where users can find detailed information on how to participate in free airdrops. On this channel, I'm going to also bring information once in every week on free airdrops that are coming up or that are currently listing. So I want to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out when those great videos on new airdrops that are authentic come around. So what that means is that you do not need to go to Airdrop Bob, you do not need to go to CoinMarketCap, you don't need to go to other Airdrop Alert and be checking. I will do the checking for you and I will list them all on this channel. I will do the research and bring the result to you here. So you just get the result and you run with it. So now we need to talk about security tips when it comes to airdrops. In everything online and offline, you need to be security conscious. There have been some scams previously. Somebody will just call you and say, don't you know me? So. The voice will look something like somebody you know, and then you respond, Dr. Lagbaja or Dr. Jide or Dr. whatever, and then say, yes, I traveled to America and I just I sent some goods to you. It's at the port, Lagos port, or the port in the state or the country where you are, and they're near you. And they said somebody will contact you. I've told them to contact you to collect the goods. So you wonder, you came from abroad, you didn't contact your husband, you didn't contact your wife, you didn't contact your children, you didn't contact your father, you didn't contact your brother, you didn't contact your sister. It is me, a total stranger that maybe is known from a distance from you that you are contacting. So you should know at that point that is fake. So if you too are looking for something very, very cheap and very easy, you see that you're going to fall into some kind of scam. So in the crypto world also, there are a lot of scams that are there. So number one is you have to be cautious with scams. Always ensure that the airdrop is legitimate by verifying it through official channels. Scammers often create fake airdrop campaigns to steal personal information or to steal cryptocurrency. Number two, do not share private keys. Never share your private keys or any sensitive information. Legitimate airdrops will only ask for your public wallet address. So be careful of that. When somebody is asking for more information from you, to know more about, to know where you are, to know everything, and maybe even asking for your ATM card or thereabout, you should be careful. Now, what are the benefits of participating in free airdrops? These are the benefits. Number one is free tokens. The most obvious benefit is that you receive free cryptocurrency, which could increase in value over time. Most people that do this airdrop, what they do is that they cash out immediately, and then after they cash out, that is all. They run after the other one. They don't leave it to be able to grow, and then at the end of the day, the effort is not so much worth it. Now, another thing you need to do is early adoption. By participating in airdrops, you get early access to new tokens, which might become valuable as the project gains traction. Community engagement. Airdrops often require participation in the project's community, which keeps you informed about the project's progress and gives you an inside look at the development process. So this is all I'm going to talk about for now on this. I've made series of videos talking about airdrops, and this is one of them, how you can get free airdrops. The next thing I'm going to talk about is what are airdrops in crypto, because airdrops exist outside of crypto also. So when it comes to crypto, what are airdrops? Because many people will look at it that what is all these things they are doing. Now I'm going to talk to you in the next one about what exactly airdrops are. So I want to stay tuned and be patient to see that video. So this is Dr. Olubengadetun TV. I want to share the link of this video with your family and friends. I want you to also like this video and also subscribe so that when I make new videos, you can be the first to know and to take part. And as I've promised, every week I'm going to be showing you airdrops that are coming up or that just started, so that you can take advantage in them. The link to some airdrops that are ongoing currently, which you can take advantage of, I'm going to leave it in the comment section of this video. Until I come your way in the next video, this video from my channel that is popping up by the side now is the next you need to watch. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.